Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem Uber Eats gift card. So it's really easy and simple. So first things first, we're going to do, at the bottom right, click on account, okay? You'll see this icon with a person, click on that, and then guys, you want to come here and click on wallet, okay? Click on wallet, and right here guys, what you want to do is you want to click on Uber Cash, okay? Click on Uber Cash, not the voucher code. The voucher code is basically just a discount. You're going to click on Uber Cash, and then you want to come here and click on add funds. Now here you want to select the amount you want to add. For example, I'll select 1,000 shilling, which is about $8. You want to come and select that, maybe $8.5, and then you want to come here and click on add payment method. So you'll see the different payment methods right here, credit or debit card, PayPal, all that, and M-Pesa. So usually it depends on your country, you will see the gift card option. In my country, it is not available, but in your country, it should be available. You just want to click on you select gift card, and then you just want to enter your PIN or your gift code with no spaces, and then choose add, and your money will be added to your balance right here. So I hope this video helped you out guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.